you for supporting Mama Foundation in all the time. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, students. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, everyone. It's absolutely fabulous to be here. Plus, Mama Foundation has been doing some great work for so many years, especially with environment, especially with making Bandra, not just Bandra, the entire city, I think, cleaner and greener. And काफी सारे जो we saw some of these wonderful people who've done such great job, be it cleaning of the Versova beach or cleaning of Dubai beach as Rampu Jamal is doing. So I think no work is too big or no work is too small if you get started on it. And what better to start while they're still in school. Honestly, I'm talking away, but my mind is still in flashback mode. And I was being in school and we were taught so many wonderful virtues, we were taught so many wonderful attributes, qualities. Of course, education is there, and along with it, we were taught so many things about being good human beings. And I think that has helped most of us come a long way. And I'm sure always when you अभी शायद आप सबको लग रहा है कि स्कूल में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We need to go to college, we need to get more freedom, enjoy ourselves, stuck in this uniform for so many years. But as you grow, you realize that you want to be in that uniform, you want to be back in school all the time. अभी भी सपने आते हैं एग्जाम है और कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं हुई और क्या होने वाला है तो मैंने सोचा कि स्पीच कर दूंगा और आज खुद पेड़ भर के आया हूँ ग्रीन शर्ट एंड बात कलर एंड सो आई थिंक honestly, I've been born and brought up in Bandra, and a lot of people love Bandra today who moved in now, but they don't even know what Bandra really was. It was so much more cleaner, so much more greener, so much more beautiful. And today, of course, with more people, with more, there's a boost of population, there are restaurants, there are offices, the concrete jungle is really showing, but we miss the real nature that was there in Bandra so many years ago. And I'm so glad and so happy that when I mentioned about all the work that is happening in Edgemore, where so many more trees are being planted, and all the work on sanitation and garden is absolutely wonderful. हाल ही में मैंने गाना गाया था इंदौर नंबर 1 हो जाए और वो नंबर 1 हो गया in the cleanest city of India. So I quickly started looking at Mumbai कौन से पोजीशन पे है. Mumbai turned out to be 29. I was actually surprised that there are worse, even more dirty cities than Mumbai. It's 29. But I think Mumbai can do a lot better. We can keep our place a little more clean. And it'll all start from not just our Anish's boys, but also our St. Joseph's girls and my son, students and everyone present here. So do keep your environment, not just your home and your immediate environment, wherever you go in the world, keep it clean. उसके nature के दो meanings है ना English में. Nature is also the kind of behavior that you have. You should have good nature. And nature is also environment. So both go together. So have a clean nature and a clean nature. तो बस नहरों से जरूर कीजिए लेकिन इस नेचर को न मारिए, इस नेचर को हमेशा जिंदा रखिए और enjoy your life. Remember, school time is the best time. So make the best of it, guys.
School memories are always special. I'd like to call the famous model and television actor of renowned Praveen Nawaz ji to please come. So Praveen Nawaz. Famous Bollywood actor Praveen Nawaz.
शान के बाद सेम गाना काफी मुश्किल है क्योंकि गाना भी इतना अच्छा गाते हैं एक्सपर्ट भी है सबसे पहले I would like to thank Mr. Asif Bangla Foundation for inviting me and everybody here on the dais, all the teachers, students. नमस्कार मैं क्लीशे बात बोलना चाहूँगा कि of course आजकल हमको मालूम है कि आजकल के बच्चे मोस्टली iPad, iPhone पे खेलते हैं. जब हम छोटे थे तो हम पेड़ पे चढ़ के खेलते थे या पेड़ पे टायर निकाल लेते थे, उसके अंदर खेलते थे. अभी भी
वही चीज अपने अंदर जागरूक रखनी चाहिए। अभी भी मैं ट्रैकिंग वगैरह काफी करने जाता हूँ, संडे को आहुति घाट है, वहां पे ट्रैकिंग करने जा रहा हूँ। जब तक आप नेचर को एक्सप्लोर नहीं करोगे, एंजॉय नहीं करोगे, तब तक आप उसको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते। एक मैं अभी शूट कर रहा था एक एड का, और वहां पे बाहर से लोग आए हुए थे, डायरेक्टर और टीम वगैरह, और जो हमारे जो लोग थे, जो प्रोडक्शन में, वो जितना भी खाना वगैरह था वो वहीं पे साइड पे फेंक रहे थे, और जो बाहर वाले थे वो बोल रहे थे कि आप यहाँ पे क्यों फेंक रहे हो, ये तो आपकी जगह। तो मुझे उस वक्त इतना बुरा लगा कि बाहर वालों को आके हमको बोलना पड़ रहा है कि अपनी जगह को गंदा मत कीजिए। तो ये जो एनवायरनमेंट को अच्छा लगना, पेड़ पौधे सैपलिंग ग्रो करना, एनवायरनमेंट को साफ रखना, ये हमको गवर्नमेंट से उम्मीद नहीं रखनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल भी। ये हम सबको ही करना है। जैसे आसिफ भाई ने बोला, हम लोगों में ये आदत है जरूर कि अपने आप को साफ रखते हैं, और जो कचरा वगैरह है वो बाहर फेंकते हैं। तो लेकिन मैं उम्मीद रखूँगा कि जो आप बच्चे हैं ये, और जो टीचर्स हैं ये, ऑफकोर्स ये आपने शुरुआत से ही बदल रहे, और क्लीनलीनेस, अपने एनवायरनमेंट को रिस्पेक्ट करने की आदतें वगैरह ये रख रहे हैं। तो आई लाइक टू थैंक अगेन मिस्टर आसिफ आमला for calling me, the Asif Amla Foundation. Please keep your environment clean and put the garbage in the garbage can. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And you don't know, but it is Mr. Sujay Thankar's 10th marriage anniversary. I don't know if we should congratulate him. और congratulate him for lasting 10 साल हो चुके हैं इनको शादी शुदा। Okay, so let's give a round of applause. Happy anniversary, Mr. Sujay. So what a way to celebrate anniversary. Many questions on the question. Pooja Bhaji, please come and address. Let's bring very quick hand. It was a big congratulations. Pooja Bhaji.
Distinguished guests, members of the faculty, and my dear young bright sparks out there. I think that you've been a little speeched out. You've heard a lot of speeches from the time you've come in. But I'm just going to keep it simple, and I think I want to take a cue from what Shan said, because coming here does make me nostalgic as well. Because I stand here in front of you not as an ex-star or a filmmaker, but I stand here as a Bandra girl, somebody who is kind of grown up in this part of town, and when people ask me where are you from, I say Bandra first before I say even Mumbai. There's something about Bandra, there's something about what we all learned growing up in Bandra, and what resonates in my heart are the first few lines that I ever read from the Bible, which says, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. So if you do believe that God created the earth, and if you do believe that this earth is a gift from God, and you do believe that you and me are trustees and stewards, then it is our duty to protect this gift that's given to us and leave it in a better condition than when we found it. It is believed that we do not inherit the earth from our fathers, but we borrow it from our children. So if this earth is yours, guys, I want to ask you, what have you done today to protect it? Okay, all of you guys have done is only planting saplings, but you need to take this word beyond this hall. You need to walk this talk. It's not enough to merely sign a petition. It's not enough to merely tweet on your smartphone and read tweets and like things on Facebook. You need to nurture. You need to have a sense of belonging and a sense of ownership. Each one of you sitting here can make a huge difference. You know, I go to the Versova beach cleanup with my friend Afroz Shah has started single-handedly. Everyone told him 2 years ago, you're a madman, you'll never be able to do this. It's been done. It's been done because a sense of community exists on the floor there. And I've seen young kids who are not as privileged as you, who don't have the luxury of going to such fine school establishments, who don't have teachers who are barefoot, who wear torn clothes, but they come on and they clean the beach with such passion and such love. And come on guys, you guys have to be the change. Be the change. You know my sister Alia, I'm sure? Yeah. But Alia does a lot for the environment. Each year on her birthday, depending on how old she is, we plant a tree. It's a tradition in our family. So come on, Alia says it's not cool to not care. So you must be cool and you must care. So you promise to be cool? Yeah. And you know, it's not fair that Charlotte is the next student into